guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create pop-out AI images using Bing. So you want to head over to any browser of your choice, type in bing.com, click on images, then click on create. Once you're on this page, you can then type in your prompt. That is what you want the AI to generate for you. Again, you have daily 15 booster, which helps you to generate images faster. And also remember that you have to sign in or sign up using your email. Okay, once all that is done, you click on create. So while our image is being generated, I would like to encourage you guys to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave your comments below. So the images are ready. That is our images. Beautiful designs. You can use these images for TikTok or whatever video you want. Okay, this is the end of the tutorial, guys. Also, if you want to download it, just right click on your mouse and copy or save image. Thank you guys for watching.